The reason for all the dead trees. The mountain pine beetle is a small, rice-sized insect native to western North America. Historically, its population was controlled by very cold winters. However, a series of warmer winters since the 1990s has allowed the beetle population to explode, leading to an unprecedented epidemic in British Columbia. This outbreak has affected over 18 million hectares of forest, killing a significant portion of the province's mature pine trees. This large-scale forest death has significant environmental and economic impacts. The mountain pine beetle doesn't kill the tree on its own. It has a symbiotic relationship with a fungus called blue stain fungus. This fungus is the primary reason the pine trees die so quickly. The female beetle initiates an attack by boring into the bark of a healthy pine tree. As it tunnels, it releases a chemical called a pheromone to attract more beetles, leading to a mass attack. The beetles carry the spores of the blue stain fungus on their bodies and introduce them to the tree's inner bark and sapwood. The fungus grows rapidly within the tree, colonizing the water-conducting tissues and creating a characteristic blue-gray discoloration in the sapwood. This growth effectively strangles the tree by blocking the flow of water and nutrients from the roots to the needles.
It's alright, it's okay. Doesn't really matter if you're old and gray. It's alright, I say it's okay.